That was wonderful.
David, look.
Who is he?
I know him. I'll explain.
This is for you. I have a little something for you. For you.
Thank you.
We studied together.
He was my classmate.
I understand. I'm glad you're happy. Nice to meet you. See you soon.
Thank you for trusting me.
Shall we dance again?
Let's make more memories.